Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to do a breakdown of the 5 best cordless leaf blowers, designed to make the maintenance of your yard more accessible. Since none of us likes to drag the cords of a leaf blower, or any other power tool for that matter, across the yard, finding the best cordless leaf blower is the next best thing your yard needs. So here's a list of 5 cordless leaf blowers that you can choose from. Number 1. Best overall cordless leaf blower. GasPowered Variable Speed 650 CFM Cordless Leaf Blower. We'll start with a powerhouse. That's the GasPowered Leaf Blower that packs some serious punch. This power tool boasts a maximum airspeed of 180 miles per hour and a maximum air volume of 650 CFM. These two functions make the cordless blowers the very best and the most powerful leaf blowers. Of course, the airspeed and volume functions are only enhanced by the variable rechargeable lithium-ion battery, rated 5.0 amps, that gives you an overall runtime of 90 minutes. This is more than enough to get the yard cleaned. And if you have a large yard to clean out and the battery runs out, you'll be happy with the fast recharge speed. The variable speed option enhances its efficiency, and 2 nozzle options, reducing the cleanup speed when you need to work on areas with fewer leaves. The blower will give you a runtime of up to 200 minutes at the low setting. This variable speed ranges from 225 to 500 CFM. You may also like this leaf blower because of the ergonomic and well-balanced handle, not to mention the reduced vibrations from the highly efficient brushless motor. Also, the tapered nozzle attachments make it easier to work with the leaf blower. And using the turbo button, you get to remove the heavy debris with ease. And 650 CFM. The only downside is that it's expensive, and the battery makes it relatively heavy. Number 2. Best Quiet Operation Leaf Blower. Ryobi Brushless Cordless Leaf Blower. Quiet operation leaf blowers were created so that you're not a nuisance to the entire neighborhood. And this cordless and brushless motor leaf blower by Ryobi is an excellent example of a high-performance, quiet operation leaf blower. With a maximum airspeed of 125 miles per hour and a maximum air volume of 550 CPM, this cordless promises excellent overall performance. Despite the powerful setup and efficiency, its noise level is rated 59 decibels, and this makes it one of the quietest leaf blowers you'll come across. It's ideally quieter than your standard vacuum cleaner. This cordless leaf blower's power and reliable performance further come from its 4.0 amp 40-volt lithium-ion battery and the fan leaf blower design that enhances its efficiency. Thanks to the powerful airflow, it can easily handle heavy debris. And thanks to the adjustable handle, it's easy to use. Although an additional shoulder strap would have been an elegant addition to this blower. It also sports a variable speed option that increases the airflow and power of the blower. Although you'd have to hold down the trigger to use it. It also features a turbo setting that allows you to quickly get rid of heavy debris. Number 3. Best Small and Budget-Friendly Option. Given the low cost of this cordless leaf blower and its 2-in-1 design, it blows and offers excellent vacuuming capabilities. Anyone can see why this leaf blower is one of the best, most popular blowers on the market today. And it doesn't stop there. This one sports a lightweight and compact design, with a maximum airspeed and volume of 150 miles per hour and 200 miles per hour respectively. It gets the job done well. And with the 2.0 amp lithium-ion rechargeable battery, this blower is an excellent option for anyone looking for small leaf blower perfect for small jobs. It weighs a mere 2 pounds, making it an ideal blower for kids, seniors, or anyone trying to avoid strain from heavy blowers. The only catch is that the small size and battery capacity mean a short runtime of only 20 minutes. It also comes with a reusable collection bag that allows you to use the blower as a vacuum to make cleaning easier. This device is an ideal option if you need to clean out the gutters or clear off some snow from the stairs. Number 4. Best Gas-Powered Leaf Blowers and Vacuum. Husqvarna 125 BVX Handheld Leaf Blower. If you need a blower with robust and reliable vacuuming capabilities, then this handheld leaf blower with a maximum airspeed of 170 miles per hour and air volume of 470 CPM might be the best option for you. Unlike the ones mentioned previously, this Husqvarna leaf blower is gas-powered, and it comes with a 28cc motor. It's also a tad heavy at 9.6 pounds, but this means more power. It can be loud with a 70 decibel noise level, and its ergonomic handle design reduces discomfort and strain on the wrist during use. The adjustable tube length, built-in cruise control, the variable speed control, and the added flare nozzle that increases its airspeed are all great functions that enhance its ease of use and overall performance. Just beware of the high risk of the vacuum clogging up when it sucks in twigs, and also the exhaust fan will blow on you during its operation. Number 5. Best 2-in-1 Blower and Trimmer. Milwaukee M18 18-volt brushless cordless lithium-ion combo unit. Last on the list is this dual-function trimmer and blower combo from Milwaukee. It's a powerful and versatile power tool, whose two functions are run by one battery, meaning that you only need to interchange the attachments as needed. And you can adjust the speed using low and high speed settings on the blower. It's run by 8.0 amp lithium-ion battery that gives the tool a maximum air speed of 120 mph and a maximum air volume of 450 cfm. This power is delivered in a 9.1-pound unit that will not weigh you down or hurt your wrist. The positioning of the motor at the rear enhances its maneuverability and overall balance. You could also buy additional attachments for this blower. And it's also fitted with a variable speed control trigger and speed settings for speed control. At its highest power and speed level, this trimmer runs at a speed of 6,200 RPM using the 16-inch swath. Verdict: if you're looking for a leaf blower that's cordless and one that promises the very best performance, any of these 5 would be great for you. Thanks for watching.